Hi there, thank you for joining us today. This is our first posture within the Sivananda 12, a Hatha lineage of yoga, which covers 12 basic asana, and it covers the whole of the spinal column. So we actually start at the postures at the crown of the head and we work down towards the feet. And this is actually the first posture, which is Sirsasana, which is our headstand. So what we're actually going to do today is preparation rather than going into our full Sirsasana. I can show you how to get into Sirsasana, but taking this at your level, and if you're not familiar and you're not used to introducing headstands into your practice, then maybe just take our prep for now and work with that and create some strength. So let's begin. Coming onto your mat, we're just going to take a child's pose to start off. Reach the fingertips forward. And as you exhale, release the sit bones back behind you. Relax the head, relax the neck between the biceps. And take nice deep breaths here. So we have to be a little bit careful, a little bit precautionary within our headstand practice, of course, because we are putting some amount of weight onto the head, not too much, and also some compression into the neck. But again, taking this at your level, we'd ideally not like weight in the head or into the neck to crush the cervical spine. So preparing for Sirsasana, you measure out your frame, your foundation for your support. So we're going to clasp the hands around the elbows, release the body over, and then you can release the hands and interlace the fingers. Just drop the little finger on the inside of that palm, and then you have a nice triangular frame in front of you. So just bringing the head in towards the cupped palms and just lightly press that head just between the palms so you can feel supported. So the palms are actually holding the back of the head and you're resting right on the top of the head. From here, just press into the base of the hands and the forearms and the elbows. Engage the core. Maybe you wish to stay here. This is a great place to be. It's still in inversion. The head is below the heart. So you're still receiving some of the benefits that you would from a Sirsasana. And if you wish to take it a step further, you can tuck the toes and you can then lift the knees off of the mat, lift the hips up towards the sky, and you can tiptoe the feet in. Now, as you tiptoe, be careful not to come forward onto the neck. So again, just press through the palms and maybe even take the head off of the mat. Then release the head back down, again, not pressing too much weight. And you can keep coming in and you can stay here. This is a great place to be. Try and think of your spine being long. The sit bones are reaching up towards the sky. The shoulders are away from the ears and you're pressing into the mat with your foundation of your triangular arms. So taking a nice deep breath, maybe one foot comes off of the mat. Maybe the other foot comes off of the mat. And maybe you wish to lift both. So you can stay into this egg shape, but think of your hips coming above the shoulders and then extending the legs up. So the ankles are going to be over the hips. Hips are above shoulders. Keep pressing those hands, elbows, forearms into the mat, keeping that weight away from compression into the neck and into the top of the head. When you're ready to come down, you can stay for 5 to 10 breaths. Bend the knees. Release the toes back behind you lightly with control. And slowly just release into a child's pose.